Rain is good. We all love it. Thank you, Robert. Bye-bye, Whiskey 6, Yankee, Alpha Lima, post 426 in Yucaipa. Yep, Golf 6, Zulu Echo Lima, Harley and Calamasa. Number 6, Delta Lima, Charlie, Daniel. Sorry, Daniel, I didn't get you on the regular list, but are you out there today? All right, that completes my regular roll call for the CALARS net. Do we have any leader members, Alpha 3 Zulu? Come out, please. CDC, Jerry is still there? I guess not. Lowell, you want to give a call for later next off of Zulu?
Okay, this is November 6th, Charlie Yankee Oscar. I'm filling in for net control. For CALARS, are there any late or missed call signs? Alpha 3 Zulu call signs, please. Nothing heard, and by the way, Mark, you're booming in here. You're almost 10 over when you were talking. Great signal here today, Mark. Yeah, N6CYO back to net control.
Okay, thank you, Lowell. And let's see. Do I have any visitors who'd like to check in with the CALARS net today? Membership in American Legion or any other veterans organization is not a requirement. Kilo Foxtrot 6, Yankee, India, Japan. Go ahead with your name and QTA. You have a beautiful signal. I'm up here in Northern California, and you are solid S5 with a great audio, Q5 audio.
Copy that. Yeah, we're using
All right, James, good to hear you in there. We are out here every Sunday at this time. Join us anytime. All right, any other visitors for the CALARS net today? Kilo Julia 7 Tango, what was the last two? In Idaho. It's interesting. We seem to get a lot of people from Idaho. You guys must have a lot of hams up that area. Okay, well, thanks for joining us today, and come back any Sunday afternoon. We'll be here. All right, any other guest visitors for the CALARS net today? Come now. 86YHL, go ahead with your name and location. All right, San Jose. You know, Bill, I tell you, it's interesting. When the solar cycle goes bad, I lose San Jose completely. I'm over here in on the 100 miles north of Sacramento. It's really interesting to me how San Jose gets completely cut off when the solar cycle goes down, but it seems to be coming back now, and we're thrilled. Good to hear you in there. Is there any other guest visitors for the CALARS Nest today? Come down. Nothing heard. Is there any final business for the net before we close? I'd like to thank all the stations who checked in with us today and my relay station, M6CYO, for his assistance. This has been the California American Legion Amateur Radio Service Net for Sunday, October 17th. This net meets every Sunday at 1300 hours Pacific time for the purpose of coordinating the activities of CALARS and to welcome into the net all visitors who would like to check in. I'd like to thank all the members one last time and guests. This is KC6UIS closing the CALARS net at 13:21 hours. God bless our troops. God bless our country. Kilo Charlie 6 Uniform India Sierra.